Welcome to the beautiful Charlotte area. I want to take a moment. I want to go over your inspection report, so stay with me. Okay, so all set. Let's take a look at your report. This is a typical report here. This is where your name and address information would be. Upper right-hand corner is the legend. Each one of these initials pertain to something. A is consistent with the age of the chimney. B, see comments below. C, repairs needed. D, need further evaluation, or E, not applicable. Placed into the boxes next to the parts of the chimney that can be easily identified in this diagram. And then, of course, we would put your comments right here below. All right, let's play the intro and get right into your personal report. So stay with me. Well, it was certainly great to see you out at the condo today. What a beautiful place. Sedgefield's a great neighborhood to be living in. Let's take a moment, though. Let's take a look at what we can see from the outside. So, a pretty typical chase out here. This is in good shape. At a top view, we can see that the chase top, this is like the lid of a jar, and then the chimney cap, and we're looking at the top of this chimney cap, all look like they're in great condition, and they're certainly proper for this unit. It is an open wood-burning fireplace. The damper linkage that connects way in the back there has come disconnected. I have to tell you, I've been sweeping for 45 years. It's not uncommon for these units to do that. And the problem is that when they're installed, there's no way to now take this apart in order to put the linkage back together. The good news is everyone I've ever seen has always been locked in the open position like yours. And the reason that that's lucky is because the people can still use the fireplaces. The smoke's going to go barreling up the chimney, so it's all good. Having the damper, you lose just a little bit of energy up the chimney, a little air conditioning, a little heat in the wintertime, but not enough to notice. And so I say just leave it alone. Everything about this fireplace gives me a green light. Flue system looks good. Folks, however, have any questions for me, give me a call, 704-526-6348. Email me at chris@affordablesweep.com. Let's run the credits, shall we?